Namaste everyone, welcome to Hamsa Yoga Center. Today I am sharing a recipe which is perfect weight reducing or a weight loss snack, which helps to control the hunger, provide nutrition. Without wasting the time, let's get started with the recipe. To the pan, add half cup of almond, roasted very well. Almond, which improves the bone health, can protect your bone from the fracture, improve the skin as well. To the mixie grinder, add roasted almond and make a fine powder like this. To the pan, add cashews and roast very nicely. Cashews are rich in fiber, protein and healthy fat. Also contains a varieties of vitamins and minerals. To the mixie grind, add cashews and make a fine powder like this. Same way, take the pan, add peanuts, roast very nicely till it become black. Not complete black, little black. Peel the skin of the peanuts. Make a fine powder. If you want, you can add black or white. I am adding 2 here. Make a fine powder with the grinder. To the pan, add dry coconut with grated. Roast very well and add to the bowl. To this, add 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder and mix it very well. To this, add 2 to 3 of chopped dates and mix it nice. Let us prepare the jaggery syrup. Add 1 cup of jaggery. To this, add 120 ml of water. Keep mixing nicely. Jaggery helps in reducing the belly fat. By consuming the jaggery daily, as it is prevents constipation and helps in digestion. Now the jaggery syrup is ready. To the jaggery syrup, add the mixture and mix it nicely. Keep mixing. Keep mixing until it becomes a dough, not complete hard dough, soft dough like this. To the ends, apply the ghee and take the small amount of the dough and make a round like a laddu like this. Now the healthy protein weight loss snack is ready and enjoy it.